guys, welcome back to my channel, djkellan. Today I'm going to take you on along with me on a bike ride. So let's go. Here we go. Turn around. Go. This is very fun. Just coming around. So, we're just gonna keep going. My neighbors are out playing. I'm just gonna keep going around on a cool adventure. Hey, Jackson! Sure. I know. We're just gonna keep going. It's fun. I'm gonna keep going on my journey because this is very nice. Hey, BJ. Oh, nice. Hey, Kenny. Hey, Kenneth. I do not. I have one already.
Yeah?
I have one already.
You want another one?
No, I don't need two. Bring them to pet daycare. Okay, we're gonna go back on my journey. I kept going on. This is a very nice, peaceful walk. I'm going on. I'm gonna turn on this other side of the road. I know you guys. I know you guys are wondering, why does he not have a GoPro? Pretty soon I will be getting one. I just need the money first, and I will be having a GoPro with me, and then I'll be posting from there. And all my other videos I will be doing. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hey, Jackson! Sorry about that, my neighbors. We're gonna just keep going here. I'm gonna speed up here. Hey, Jackson! Hey, Jackson, did you eat all your dinner?
Yeah.
Okay.
My sandwich too.
Did you enjoy your dinner?
Yeah.
Was it yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's my house.
Yeah. I have the same toys like you in the same house. Outside of my house inside.
Yeah.
So we can have the same houses.
Yeah. Oops. There's a car. No, the car's turning. Yeah? Okay. There's my neighbor there. Yeah, me too. Oh, this is a really nice, peaceful night for a bike ride with my neighbors. I'm going down. Yeah. Ah.
Do you know which kind of house I built in Minecraft?
You play Minecraft, dude?
Yeah, and I just put an egg down and it made a kitty and
Want to say hi? Hi! That was my neighbor. You guys. Okay, we're gonna turn again. Let's turn Jackson. What?
I can go really fast. Yeah, you can go.
Yeah, I think I can too.
Let's do it. Helen, no.
Sheesh.
What are you doing?
Huh?
You on YouTube?
Yeah, I am.
Helen!
Yeah!
I want 3. No, you have to completely stop. It's not safe. What?
Jackson, come back! Okay, yeah. Okay, sorry guys about that. Apparently he went in the moon. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna turn around again. And this is gonna be a lot, it's gonna be a couple, I mean not like a couple hours, but it's gonna be a couple minutes. So I just wanted the video because it was kind of nice tonight. To be out nice biking out tonight. So yeah, it is, let's see, I'm gonna check. It is 5:58. And so yeah, there's a car coming, so I have to kind of stop. We're gonna turn around. Okay, we're almost done with this video. It was gonna be, yeah, it is not jumping a curve.
Caleb, you have to have your tires up. Okay. Caleb, what do you mean? You gotta put your front tire up. Can you do it up and down? Tires go up.
Do not call me K-Dog. I'm not called that. Alright, I'm gonna stop here because I am gonna be, it's gonna be a couple more minutes and then I'm gonna stop the video for today. So thank you for coming on my little adventure with me on bikes. So I'm just gonna keep biking for tonight and on this lovely day and all that. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.